Let's continue with the dimension drawings of the scissor lift parts. So we've done the base, we've done the small block, we've done the axle. Let's do the three parts here. Let's start with the syringe block. Right click, create drawing of syringe block. We'll use the template here. And if I remember correctly, we're going to want, in this case, the actual front view in the part studio to be the front view in the drawing. Yeah, we want this face here, which is the front, to be the one in the drawing. So there it is. It's a little big. OnShape thinks it's okay. Maybe it is. I'm going to make it a little smaller. That's awful small too, though. Let's try it with 2 to 1. So we'll go there, and we'll put the right view over here. And we really don't need the top view, but I'm going to go ahead and put it there. And then finally the isometric is up here. And as we got a lot of crowded parts here, so what you can do for the isometric, since it's there just sort of our human being eyes, we can make that a little smaller to get a little higher away from everything. And this is the bottom line here, what we want. So let's turn on the hidden lines here on the right and the front, top, and a little confusing, but let's go ahead and use the front view once again for diameter sizes. So there's our, for the axle, this is for the syringe, so that's important to know. And I'm going to take, let's see, how do I want to do this? Let's move this guy over a little bit, and we want to locate the that one there, and also from the bottom we want to locate it here. And of course we also want to have the height here, although that could have been put on this guy. Now we need to know this distance, this location there, and from here, whoops, oh, what we can do here is these are aligned, so I think what we can do, can we do that? Move that up. There's a way to show that those are aligned. I think maybe the dimension line here, but this one's in the middle as well, and I am not sure how to exactly do that right now, so I'm going to do this guy. It's a little redundant. There's a better way to do this to show that those two are the centers are collinear. That doesn't look right. What about this? Let me get rid of that. And while I'm here, I am going to, I think I'm going to delete the top view, and I am going to finish out. We're going to get the width here, and all we're missing is the depth, so I'll take that there. Also, we want to come up here to the and mark the center lines here and here. Actually, the top view may have, boy, those are awfully busy. There's so much going on here. Let's try this. Well, let's go here to here. Let's put this guy back on. This is the top view. Show hidden lines. Yeah, I think what this shows is that, yeah, that they're co-linear, the centers here. I think that shows it. So I'm going to go with that. I think we've got all the dimensions shown, and so we'll leave that for that one. This is a syringe block. Let's go with the new drawing for the center block. This is again going to be, I think, the front view in the part studio is going to be the front view in the drawing. They have us again at 2 to 1. This is much simpler, so let's give it a try here, here. Let's go ahead and just fit them all in, and we'll go there. Again, I'm going to make this guy a little bit smaller, and I'm going to put in the shaded view. And finally, let's get down to business here on the dimensioning here. So the diameter is 0.27. The distance here to here is that distance. The distance here to there, let's see. What is the best way to do that? From here to here. I'm just going to use that one. And then the whole, let's just go ahead and put a lot of stuff on the front view here, the height, width, and finally the depth here. And what I can do just for completeness and correctness is show the hidden lines here. And even though I don't have any dimensions here, I'm going to leave it. So why does this look bigger, this distance here, than this distance? That's interesting. Well, I guess it's the same. Okay, so that is that particular part. And what do we have left? We have the connecting rod. Right click, create a drawing of the connecting rod. Over here, this is again an easy one. And but again, it's going to be the right view. Oh my goodness, too big. Let's make it 1 to 1. It's going to be like that. That's okay. That looks good. Then the right view here, like so. And we'll go over here, like so. Right click, show hide, shaded view. Let's get the length of this thing is that much, and the diameter of this guy is that much, and that's all we need to do for that guy. So we have all those. Finally, the leg. I'm going to have to do the leg in another video. These are getting too long, so I will see you next time.